as demand of eggs shot up.
Price of eggs has dropped. As a consumer, you may be celebrating this, but poultry farmers are quite upset.
So you've been thinking, should I start a poultry farm or I shouldn't? A lot going on in your mind. Will it work out? Will it not work out? Well, I'm Daniel, a practicing medical doctor, and about 11 months ago, I started a poultry farm.
If you're a poultry farmer, I bet you have come across Dr. Daniel, a retired medical doctor from Uganda. He started his poultry farm with about 500 layers chicken. In this video, you will get to know how much money he spent and profited after starting his 500 layers chicken farm. This video will help you discover whether keeping 500 layers chicken is profitable or not. Watch this video till the end to enable you to be equipped with valuable information and bonus information within this video. Finding a land. Choose a piece of land that is in an open, secure, and well-drained area. The land should be near a source of electricity and should generally be easily accessible via motorized means of transport. Dr. Daniel uses his father's land to rear his chicken. Chicken farming does not require a very large piece of land. Even a quarter of an acre farm is enough to layer 500 layers chicken. Construct the recommended design and size of chicken coop. A good chicken house should be well ventilated, have adequate space to avoid overcrowding, have leak-proof roofing, be well secured to prevent intruders, have a footbath to regulate entry of diseases, and be well raised to prevent flooding. In addition, you will require accessories such as drinkers and feeders, cardboards, lamps for brooding, and egg trays. Passionate about poultry farming. From Dr. Daniel's videos, we can all agree that he is very passionate about poultry farming. It is no secret that, as a chicken farmer, you will face challenges. Being passionate and patient about poultry farming will help you strive through the difficult days when you feel like giving up. Some of the challenges that you may face as a poultry farmer include, but not limited to, diseases, death, lack of enough finances, irresponsible farm workers, and thieves. Source of capital and a budget. As you all know, starting and running a business, you will need cash flow. And a layers chicken farm is no different. The following includes a detailed cost and benefit analysis of rearing 500 commercial layers chicken. I have sectioned the cost into 4 groups. 1. Brooding chicks. 500-day-old chicks. Each chick costs $1. Therefore, 500-day-old chicks will cost a total of $500. 20 chicks feeders and 20 drinkers. Each piece usually costs $3.5. Therefore, total cost for 40 pieces will cost $140. 10 brooder lamps. Each brooder lamp usually costs $7.5. Therefore, 10 brooder lamps will cost $75. 5 brooding charcoal burners. Each brooding charcoal burner usually costs $15. Therefore, 5 brooding charcoal burners will cost $75. In addition, during brooding of chicks, you may require cardboards. For 500 chicks, you will need 15 standard-sized cardboards. Each cardboard usually costs $5.5. Therefore, 15 cardboard will cost $82. Brooding of 500 chicks will cost a total of $897.5. 2. Feeding of 500 chicks up to 20 weeks of age. From day 1 until the end of week 8, you will feed your chicks with chick mash. For 500 chicks, you will require 10 bags of chick mash. 1 bag of chick mash usually costs $35. Therefore, 10 bags of chick mash will cost $350. From week 9 until the end of week 20, the chickens will require grower's mash. For 500 chicken, you will require 50 bags of grower's mash. 1 bag of grower's mash usually costs $25. Therefore, 50 bags of grower's mash will cost $1,250. Total feeding cost for 500 chickens for 20 weeks will cost a total of $1,600. 3. Equipments and accessories. 20 feeders and 20 drinkers. Each piece usually costs $6. Therefore, 40 pieces will cost $240. In addition, you will need to construct laying nests, perches and roosters, buy sawdust and egg trays. Therefore, the estimated cost will be $150. Total cost for equipments and accessories will be $390. 4. Health management. To ensure proper health management for your chickens, you will require vaccines, antibiotics, and dewormers. Vaccines such as 2 shots of Gumboro, 3 shots of Newcastle, and 1 shot of fowl pox will cost a total of $30. Vitamins will cost $15. Antibiotics will cost $20. Dewormers will cost $10. Total cost for health management is $75. The grand total of all expenses for 20 weeks will be $2,962.5. Therefore, if you want to start a layers chicken farm, you should ensure you have more than the above-mentioned amount of money. This is because, for the first 20 weeks, you will not be making any money because the chickens will not be laying eggs. From week 21 to week 75, the layers will require to be fed with layers mash. The layers will need 255 bags of layers mash. 1 bag of layers mash usually costs $26. Therefore, 255 bags layers mash will cost $7,230. Also, for the entire 18 months, you will require a laborer to help you in management of the 500 layers chicken. Also, a family member can help you as a laborer at the farm. You should put aside $720 as the labor cost. The total expenses from day 1 to 18 months is $10,912.5. Returns? Now let's calculate whether you will make a loss or a profit, and by how much. From week 21 to week 75, you will get 4,300 trays of eggs. 1 tray usually have 30 eggs. 1 tray is $3. Total returns from egg sales will be $12,900. After 18 months, you will have to sell off the layers at a cost of $5 each. And suppose 400 layers chicken survive until the end of 18 months. You will make a total of $2,000. Therefore, the total returns for 500 layers chicken will be $14,900. The total profit made from rearing 500 layers chicken will be gotten from subtracting total expenses from total returns. Total profit will be $3,987.5. You can increase the profit margin by cutting the cost and increasing the laying percentage. Have you ever wondered why some farmers like Dr. Daniel are more successful than other farmers? Click on the video on the screen now to know how you can succeed like them.
If you think the video has been very helpful, click the like button, comment below with your questions, and please subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends.